That was fun. Do you mind if I use a loo?
No, of course. Don't think I don't know why you're here, Albus. The answer's still no. Absolutely and unequivocally no.
You were so bad at that. Come here.
You're very like your father. The eyes, of course. You have your mother's eyes. Yeah. Lily. Lovely Lily. She's exceedingly bright, your mother. Even more impressive when one considers she was muggle-born.
One of my best friends is Muggle-born. She's the best in our year.
Oh, please don't think I'm prejudiced. No, no, no. Your mother was one of my absolute favourites. Here's you, right at the front. All mine. Each and every one. Ex-students, I mean. You recognise Barnabas Clark.